Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit text in PDF file. So I have the sample PDF over here, and if I go ahead and open it, it has around 30 pages as you can see. And what we can do is we will go ahead and edit the text in this file. So all you have to do is you need to go to this website zodo.com and upload your PDF file. So already uploaded my PDF file over here as you can see, and all you have to do is you need to simply click on a certain text and click on edit. Now you can select the text that you want to edit, or if you want to add something, like let's say if you again want to add ipsum dollar dollar, you can go ahead and edit it. So it is this simple to edit the text in the PDF file, and then you can go ahead and download this PDF file and use it for your personal use or professional use maybe. And still, in case if you find any uh, problems or issues doing this, please let me know or leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.